Hi, me again. I just wanted to go over one other quick thing, and that is background color. If you notice that in this picture I have a white background, and that's because I wanted a very bright and vibrant color for my leaf, and I wanted it to really go kind of in an upward direction, and that's really good with white. And then there's a black. Here she's used a black background. And that is going to give you a very rich, it's interesting, she has a lot of white on top of this black, but a lot of people will put like a cheap tempera paint, it's really cheap, you can get it at Walmart or something, put that down, put the chalk on. Sometimes that just, depending on whatever background color you have, it can really add some beautiful effects. Let me show you some of the other ones we've got. This was done at the same time as I did my leaf. She did this one, and she had a black background, and it really helped keep that very dark, eerie look to it. This one here, she's got a blue background. She'll probably put that in later. And I just want to say thanks to the many artists that do this work. I love seeing them at the different contests. To Camille, Jared, Autrey, Rachel, Colton, Brooke Keithley, Rashell, Williams. I'm using their drawings here, so you can kind of see. This has got a black background, and you can just kind of decide what kind of look you want. There's an arch done in color. I think it's beautifully done. So you don't even need to have a background, but sometimes that can help. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.